So let me show you how to turn dark mode on or off on your Samsung Galaxy Tab A11. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. So if you go into settings, and then under settings, go to display, tap on that. You'll have the option to turn dark mode on or to turn it off by using light mode. Now, if you want to, you can also schedule dark mode. So if you turn on this, that's going to schedule the dark mode to start at a certain time and to end at a certain time automatically. So you have sunset to sunrise, which basically lets the tablet decide. Also, you can choose your own custom time. So an exact time where dark mode starts and ends. You can have it start at 7 p.m. and end at 7 a.m. the next day. So if you want to, you can customize this time. So maybe 8 p.m. and you want it to end at probably 8 a.m. or 9 a.m. and tap on done. So that is basically how to enable dark mode on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.